Students, till now we have covered 5 questions of exercise 2.3 where we are seeing that variables are there on both the sides. Now let us move to next question, that is question number 6. Now in question number 6, the variable is x. So here we have to find out the value of x. So first let us open this bracket, okay, because it consists of constant term also and a variable also. So first we have to open the bracket. So it will be 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x, 3 into x, this minus sign, and 3 ones are 3. See, you have to be focused on this minus sign, okay. You have to see the signs of these digits, so you have to multiply along with the sign, okay. Most of you make mistake over here, so just be careful about these signs. So while opening the bracket, along with number you have to multiply with the sign also. Okay, now if you see here, this 8x and this 3x, these are the like terms, so let us take them together. So 8x minus 3x is equals to, now minus 3 plus 7, okay. So it will be now this 4 is also here, so let us bring this 4 to this side. So we can say it is minus 3 plus 7, and here it will be minus 4. So either you first solve this, so it will be plus 4, 3 minus 3 plus 7 is nothing but plus 4, or you can solve them together after transferring the 4. Okay, so it will be 8 minus 3x, it will be 5x is equals to, see, 4 5 6 7, so can we add them together? So it will be minus 7 and plus 7. Okay, now they are additive inverse of one another, so they will cancel one another. So we can say that 5x is equals to 0. So what will be the value of x? It is 0 upon 5. We know that anything divided with, when we divide 0 with anything, answer is 0 only. So it will be x is equals to 0. This is the solution. Fine, now we have to check the result, okay, because in this question they have asked to check the result also. So here we'll find that our LHS is equals to 8x plus 4. So what is our x? It is 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4. So it will be 0 plus 4. That is nothing but 4. Now let us see what is RHS here. So it is 3x minus 1 plus 7. Correct. So now substitute the value of, either you first open the bracket, that will also work. So 3x minus 3 plus 7, what is the value of x we have taken? It is 0. Here minus 3 plus 7, can we write plus 4? Yes, so it will be 0 plus 4, again it is 4. So RHS is also 4, LHS is also 4. So here we'll find that LHS is equals to RHS, hence our solution is correct. Okay, now let us see the next question, that is question number 7. Okay, question number 7, x is equals to 4 upon 5, x plus 10. So first we have to open this bracket. So x is equals to 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 into x will be 4 upon 5 x, or here we can say 4x upon 5. This plus as it is, so it will be 4 upon 5 into 10. Okay, so here it will be 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So what is x here? It will be 4x upon 5 plus 4 twos are 8. Okay, now we have to bring this 4x upon 5 from this side to this side. Why? Because here 4 upon 5x, this is similar, this is having same variable as this. Okay, so these are like terms, we can say. So it will be x minus 4x upon 5 is equals to 8. Okay, now further we have to solve it. We can cross multiply it. Okay, nothing is there, it means either you can find it out by LCM or by cross multiplication. Okay, now how you have to do the cross multiplication, I hope you know this. See, it is 4x upon 5, okay, is equals to 8. So nothing is there, it means 1 is there. So cross multiplication we do, x into 5, this into this, and here 1 into 5 in the denominator. So we write it like this, 5 into x, this minus sign as it is, 4x into 1 whole upon 1 into 5. Okay, so here what we'll find after cross multiplication, we'll find it is 5x, okay, minus 4x upon 5. So after cross multiplication, I am directly writing here. Either you find out it by LCM, by taking LCM, or by cross multiplication. So we'll get 5x, okay, minus 4x whole upon 1 into 5, that is like this, okay, is equals to 8. So it will be 5x minus 4x. Can we say it is x? So x upon 5 is equals to 8. So what is the value of x here? 8 into 5, that is x is equals to 40. This is the solution, okay, and we have to check the result. Now we know that how to check the result. We have to substitute the values, okay, we have to substitute the solution. Okay, now what is LHS here? Let us see. Our LHS is x, so that is nothing but 40, correct? Now let us see what is our RHS. Our RHS is 4 upon 5 in bracket x plus 10. Now let us solve it. 4 upon 5 as it is. X is our, here we have find out our x is 40. So here we have to write down 40 plus 10. Correct? So it will be 4 upon 5 into 40 plus 10, that is 50. So 5 ones are 5 ones are, and this 0, that is equals to 40. Okay, so our RHS is 40 and our LHS is also 40. So here we can see that LHS is equals to RHS, hence our answer is correct. Okay, now let us see next question, that is question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x upon 15 plus 3. So we have to bring this to this side and we have to take this plus 1 to this side. Okay, so we can say that it is 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15. See, it is plus 7x upon 15, so it will be minus on this side, is equals to this 3 as it is, and this is minus 1. Okay, so here we'll find that here first we have to make the denominator same, so we have to multiply it with 5. Okay, so that the denominator will be same, into 5. So we have to multiply numerator also with 5. So it will be, we can say 5 to the 10. 10x upon 15 minus 7x upon 15 is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So 10x, denominator is same, so we can subtract the numerator. So it will be 10x minus 7x, it will be 3x upon 15 is equals to 2. Okay, now what we have to do, it will be 3x is equals to 15 into 2. It will go and multiply here. So it will be 3x is equals to 15 to the 30. So x is equals to 30 upon 3. That is nothing but it will be 10. So what is the value of x? It is 10. Okay, now we have to check the result also. So what we have done here, this 3 will go and divide here, so it will be 30 divided by 3, that is nothing but 10. So what is the value of x? It is 10, right? Now we have to check the result. Okay, now let us check this result. So this is checking of solution 8. So here we will find that what is our LHS? Our LHS is 2x upon 3 plus 1. Okay, so now what is the value of x? We have find out our value of x is 10. Okay, so we have to substitute 10 here. 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1. So it will be 20 upon 3 plus 1, right? Again, by cross multiplication we have to find out the answer. So it will be nothing is that means, it means 1 is here, so 20 into 1, that is 20 plus 3 into 1 is 3 upon 3 into 1 is 3. So it will be 23 upon 3. This is our LHS. Okay, now let us see what is our RHS. Our RHS is 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now what is the value of x? We have find out it is 10. So it will be 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. So it will be 70 upon 15 plus 3. We can cancel this 70 and 15. Okay, so it will be 15, 5 3s are, and here it will be 14. So it will be 14 upon 3 plus 3. Again cross multiplication, so it will be 14 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 3. That is 14 plus 9 is what? It is 23 upon 3. Okay, this is our RHS. So again we'll find that our LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, it means our answer is correct. Now let us see the next question. That is question number 9. Okay, question number 9, that is 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equals to 26 upon 3 minus y. So again we have to transfer the terms. Okay, like terms we have to bring together. So it will be 2y plus y is equals to 26 upon 3, and here it will be minus 5 upon 3. Correct? Now here it will be 3y is equals to, denominator is same, so 26 minus 5 upon 3. So 3y is equals to 26 minus 5, that is 21 upon 3. Okay, so we can cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So what is y? This 7 as it is, this 3 will go and divide here. So y is equals to 7 upon 3. So this is our solution. Now we have to check the result. Okay, so here let us see what is, let us check it here. What is our LHS? LHS is 2y plus 5 upon 3. Okay, so now substitute the values here. What is our value of y? It is 7 upon 3. So it is 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. So it will be 7 to the 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. So denominators are same, so we can add the numerator. So 14 plus 5, that is nothing but 19. So it will be 3. It is not 5, it is 3. Okay, so what is our LHS? Our LHS is 19 upon 3. Now let us see what is our RHS. Okay, our RHS is 26 upon 3 minus y. Now what is y? Our value of y is 7 upon 3. So it will be 7 upon 3. Now denominator is same. So 26 minus 7 upon 3. So 26 minus 7. That is nothing but again 19 upon 3. This is our RHS. Okay. So here we'll find that again LHS and RHS both are same. So we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. So hence our solution is correct. Okay, now let us move to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 10. Question number 10. So here 5m we have to bring it here. So it will be 3m minus 5m is equals to minus 8 upon 5. This is as it is. So it will be 3 4 5 minus 2m is equals to minus 8 upon 5. So m will be, this minus 2 will go here and divide. So it will be minus 8, this 5 as it is, into minus 2. Okay, so this minus sign and this minus sign will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So what is the value of m? It is 4 upon 5. Okay, this is our solution. Now let us check, okay, whether our solution is correct or not. So here what is our LHS? It is 3m. So it will be 3 into, what is m? It is 4 upon 5. So it will be 12 upon 5. Okay, now let us see what is RHS. RHS is 5m minus 8 upon 5. So what is value of m? It is 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. Okay, now either you cancel this 5 or to have the denominator same, first will multiply. Both are correct. Okay, so it will be 5 4 is 20 okay, 20 upon 5, and this minus 8 upon 5. Now denominator is same, so it will be 20 minus 8 whole upon 5. That is nothing but 20 minus 8 is what? It is 12 upon 5. So our LHS is also 12 upon 5 and RHS is also 12 upon 5. So here we'll find that LHS is equals to RHS. Hence our solution is correct. So in exam you have to read the question carefully. They have asked to check the result, so it is also carrying some marks. Okay, only if it is given that you have to check the result, then only you have to check. In all questions no need to check the result if it is not mentioned in the question. So this is all about exercise 2.3. So with this we have completed exercise 2.3.